How to delete all posts on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Facebook, and then let's navigate to our profile page. Now once you're here, you can just simply uh, delete the posts like one by one. As you can see, you can delete them one by one, or you can just scroll back to the top and click on these three dots right here on the middle of the screen to the right. Click on them and then click on activity log, and then from there you can see you will find this section that says your posts. Click on manage your posts, and here also you can just delete them one by one. As you can see, if you click on the three dots and click move to trash, or you can select all of them at once. However, by doing this you cannot delete them. You can change the audience at once. If you click to change audience, you can set them to only me, meaning only you will be able to see all of the posts on your profile, which will appear to others that you have deleted them. So just click on change, and it actually serves the same purpose, I guess. And as you can see, by doing that, the posts will be private on your profile. Others won't be able to see it. uh, it kind of gets the job done. However, let me tell you that there are some apps and websites that claim that they can get this service done, and some of them actually can. However, I would not advise you to use them, as they can be harmful or dangerous to your account because they ask for personal information such as email and password. And maybe in the future, Facebook will come with a feature where you can just delete all of the posts at once. However, this is the only solution as of right now, so you might as well just use it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove all of your posts on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.